$300 a day.
Right on YouTube. Yep, just by simply copy and pasting, and you will not need one of these a video camera, so go ahead and just put that away. If you want to learn how to make $500 a day on YouTube just by simply copy and pasting, well, the very first thing you must do is go right over to, welcome back guys. I create videos that show people how to make money online, and if you subscribe right now I will send you a notification and an update whenever I create a new video so you don't miss anything. If you stay towards the end on this video, I'm gonna share with you a bonus that will allow you to make even more money right online. Warning: results are not typical. Please use this at your own risk. You may only earn $50 a day or maybe even just $100 a day on YouTube, so please be careful before you proceed. Watch every second of this video, and if you do, you'll learn how to make money on autopilot by the end of this video, and exactly how to earn between $100 to $300 a day on autopilot.
And how to make sure you have a consistent daily income coming in. It's no secret that YouTube pays out millions of dollars to its content creators. It's the second largest website in the world, and the average viewer spends 40 minutes a day watching videos. In a few seconds I'll be showing you how to take in a portion of all that money just by following a few simple steps right on this video. And yes, this is 100% free and you can start today. Just think about the new lifestyle you will have sitting at home making money on the internet and having total freedom to go and do whatever you want. All this and more is starting right now, so let's go ahead. And again, you could earn between $100 and $200, even up to $300 a day right on YouTube, and you could do all of this by simply just copy and pasting right on your computer. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. So first, let's go over to this website. It's called Pixels. Now what we're gonna be doing is we're going to be copying the different videos right on this website, and we're going to use this to create other videos. But don't worry, all of the content that we're gonna be using on this tutorial is going to be copyright free, so you don't have to worry about getting to monetize or run into any legal issues or anything like that. We're also gonna use YouTube's audio library, which contains thousands of different audio files and music that you can use right on your video, all copyright free. It's no surprise that inspirational and motivational type videos on YouTube get thousands and even millions of views every single day. The creators of these videos are earning upwards to thousands of dollars every single day, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the same. Looking over on Social Blade for the Mulligan brothers, here you can see that they're earning anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 on a month just by making these videos, and that's just a low estimation. They're probably making much more than that. You can see that they're getting thousands of subscribers every single day. They have 200,000 or more views every single day right on their video. Well, that translates into a lot of money with Google AdSense revenue. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's just jump in and begin. So the very first place that you guys are gonna want to go to is Pixels. So this is read as PEXELS.com. Now this is a huge stock photo and video website. You can download as many files that you want. You can use them in any way that you wish, and it's 100% copyright free, so you don't have to worry about any issues about getting demonetized or any kind of legal issues or anything like that. You guys can just come over here and simply enter into keywords and then search, and you guys can just find some very high quality photos and videos to use right on your videos. So to start this off, what I'm gonna do is just come over here and I type in the keyword drone footage, since that is how a lot of people resonate with freedom, you know, showing different landscapes, showing the water, showing the beach and different things like that. You can type in on the beach. You can have people doing that, but some of these are really cool backgrounds and different landscapes, you know, going through different roads and trees and stuff, and it just emphasizes that feel of freedom, which is what I really like. So these are really cool and high quality HD videos that you guys can download. All you have to do is just click on one of the videos. It'll open up a new window, and then all you have to do is click on free download. That will download it directly to your hard drive. It's that simple. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to have an account, and you guys can download this content. Is pretty cool. So after you guys have went through here and you have gathered together some of your videos that you want to use, or maybe you want to do like a weightlifting video. I know there's a lot of motivational and inspirational videos out there for weightlifting or or working out and those types of things this is super popular, so you can type in here weightlifting and then scroll through here and look at some different to workout videos. If you guys want to use some of these, just click on the videos, come up here to the top right, simply click on free download, and you guys are good to cope with. Super simple, so no one to gather together the content that you want to use free of charge. Then what you'll also want is some music, some inspirational music that you can get over here as the YouTube audio library. So what I've done here is I've typed in the keyword motivation. We can also type in like inspirational or something like that, and it chosen to go with a more of like a cinematic feel or scene. So I wanted to select cinematic from B category drop down box right here, and then when I did that I got a pretty good selection of different files to choose from. Others one here that really stood out to me, it's its name to please is the name of it, and so the school can listen to that back real quick. So it's got a nice uplifting feel to it. I really like that. So it starts off a little mellow and then it builds over time. Okay, so when you guys find the audio files of the music that you want to use, to just come over here to the right and click on the little arrow pointing down, and that will download that file directly to your hard drive. Again, you guys don't have to worry about any copyright issues or anything. This is coming directly from YouTube. They provided all of these files here for you guys to use, so you shouldn't have any problems. Now here is the next thing. As most of you might have known, when it comes to the inspirational type videos, usually there is a spoken word and there is a voice behind these videos, that are used for inspiring people, give them inspiration, usually things about mindset and success, as maybe how to get rich, how to have a better lifestyle, how to have financial freedom, and what it really takes up a lot of it is from a very successful people. And so we are probably wanting, well, where the heck am I going to get that, and how am I going to get that, and how is it going to be where I don't have any problems with copyright? Well, here's one place that you guys can go. It's over here at the Internet Archive. Alright, this is a huge database of a whole bunch of different files, audio files, video files, software, images and books. There's just millions of different files on this website, and about 90% of it is copyright free. So the first step is to come right up here and click on audio, because we're going to be looking for that spoken word, something that we can place over our videos so people can listen to it maybe when they're working out. They're going on. I know sometimes I go for walks outside in the morning and I like to listen to motivational stuff while I'm walking and looking around at nature, and so let's do this. Click on audio and then come right over here where it says audiobooks and poetry. Right here, going to click on that. That'll bring you over to this page. Now there's quite a few different items here to choose from. Now we want to focus just on audio, so let's try to figure out what we really want to look for here. Well, let's just say this is like a motivational type thing. Maybe you're talking about how to get rich. A lot of people they want success. They listen to these motivational videos because they just want more out of life. Even if it could be something about mindset, emotional support, it could be a financial gain or something like that. So let's come over here and type in getting rich. Can see what we have now. You guys can type in any word that you want. I'm just using this just for fun, just to give you an example on what this looks like. But as soon as you see results, I just make sure to sort by audio down here where it says the media type. Go ahead and put a little check mark right in audio, and that'll sort it. Just support the audiobooks, and then what you can do from here, you can pick one out. So let's go into this one. It says The Science of Getting Rich. Click on that, and you can see right down here that this title is public domain, and it also says see what that means, Creative Commons. So you guys are going to be free to use the content from this. And so up here you can preview the audio, so you can click on an audio track, like maybe over here 12 of The Science of Getting Rich, My Balanced Day. What does this little box? You can also skip around. You can play in a free wind and fast forward attain using this little bar right here. Your neck clack. Okay, so you really want to kind of find something that is really inspirational, something that it just really has maybe a little bit of a more of a deep tone to it. I found that those kind of resonate with people and a bit more, but just in this example you can see that you can simply download this file by just coming down here over on the side on the right here, and you can choose to download this file in a few different formats if you want to. But while preparing this video, I found something that really stood out to me. I went ahead and just out of random I typed in the keywords self-confidence, and I found some pretty good ideas here. I found one that says positive affirmations for bringing good energy. So as soon as I saw that, I'm like, okay, cool. So I was kind of imagining in my mind having these affirmations emotions being called out as someone was watching the video. They're listening to the music, they're looking after the views of the oceans and stuff like that, and then they can hear the affirmations. And so I thought that would be excellent for this type of video. Now what I did here is I just clicked on it, and as soon as I do that, that's gonna bring me right over here. So let's just go ahead and preview this to see what it sounds like. You are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment. Yeah, see, when I first heard that, I'm like, yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about, to have something like that plays over my video, and I think that's really going to be very inspiring. So it's little things like that. You never know what you will find at the Internet Archive. So if you go around, you look at a few or listen to a few audios, you're really not sure yet, just keep looking around. You're gonna find some that really resonate with you, and that's something that really powerful. Now to download this, well, I would have to do is just come right down here and then click on this little download button right next to where it says MP3. That'll download it directly to my hard drive. Alright guys, so the next step, what we're gonna be doing here is we're going to be editing a quick video. I've already got this installed, OpenShot Video Editor. So if you're on Windows, so it's a really great piece of software. They've got video tutorials that walk you through and show you exactly how everything works, but the software is really basic, and so that's why I'm recommending it. I know it's not really super complicated like some of those other video editors out there, but what I'm gonna do is go right over here to OpenShot, and we're gonna start right over here. So I've already got the files that I'm going to be using for this video. I just placed them all inside of a folder here. So I've got a little boat video, I've got a little couple walking on the beach, I've got my soundtrack, and then I have the uplifting positive affirmations which I'm going to be using on this video. So with the very first thing I'm going to want to do is create a new project. So I'll just come right over here and click on create new project and then select movie. Alright, cool. And so what I can do over here inside of the folder is just drag the files here directly over to the little timeline that's inside of OpenShot. It's really simple to do, so I'll start off with which to see about this couple walking here. I'll go and click on that, drag down right over the timeline, and look at that, look how easy that is. And so I can drag more than one file if I want to. All drink the boat. There we go. And let me just go ahead and shorten this up a little bit, and then I will about some workout footage, because this could be a workout video as well. I know some of you guys are doing the fitness and workout videos, so those are really cool, and I'm going to shorten and changes the duration of these videos a little bit. Okay, so let's go and play that back. Go and hit my spacebar and this will play back. Okay, that's looking really good. We could see if I can make this a little bit larger for you guys. There we go. So simple walks on the beach there, and then that's a little bit long though. Let me just make that a little bit shorter, and then I'll make this workout video a little bit shorter. And now we're going to do is running around this music files. So that little music found that I found the music track over on the YouTube audio library. It's called Please. And so what I'm gonna do is just drag that right into the timeline into OpenShot. So there it is. Let's go and hear how it sounds with the music. Here we go. Okay, so you guys are getting kind of the vibes there, alright, but there's one thing missing, of course, and that's the audio narration. That's the spoken word that's going to go over the entire video, and so we really want to include that. Let's go back over here, uplifting positive affirmations for gentle competence. I love that title. So what I'm gonna do is just click on that and then drag that over to the timeline. Look at that, it just goes right up there, and then I can scroll down here and see everything. So I've got my little video files over here, and I've got my music file, and I also have my spoken word. So just making some final little adjustments here. Are you guys ready to see what everything sounds like together? Let's go ahead and do this right now. I'm in a position that transport bar at the very beginning, and then press the space bar on the keyboard, and here we go. You're only right place at the right time. Yeah, I love it. Alright, so to extend this even further, you guys will just keep adding video clips, and I would extend this just as long as the music goes, or you can add multiple music clips. You can extend this out to maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes long and upload that straight to YouTube. So that's how you guys make the video. Now if you want to make money on YouTube, this is how you do it. You guys must have 1,000 subscribers, and you must have 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Now these videos, you guys are going to hit those numbers no problem, because these videos are super popular. People love watching these. You also need a Google AdSense account, so make sure to go over to Google AdSense, set up an account, so you guys will be all ready to go when the time comes. When you guys reach 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, go ahead and submit your website to YouTube so they can review it, so you guys can get monetized as soon as possible. Another way that you guys can make money from your videos before that is to use clickbait. So yes, even if you're not monetized yet with YouTube, you can still already start making money with these videos. So what you're gonna do is go over to ClickBank and sign up and become an affiliate. ClickBank has a huge marketplace full of different products that you guys can promote, and you get pretty good commissions. I mean between 40, 50, 60, and I've even seen it as high as 70% commissions from some of these different products. So for example, if you're doing maybe a workout video, a workout motivational video, or fitness video, maybe you could direct people down below in the description of your video and provide a link that goes to a muscle building product, or maybe something like an ebook or something like that. And really all you would do is he would place that link down below in your description of your video, just like this person does right here. So you have a lot of people that are interested in fitness. They're looking for muscle bodybuilding motivation. When they go and watch your video, they'll scroll down and see that link. It'll take them over to this page, and if they buy, you guys earn a percentage of that sale. So this is a really cool deal.